Hey y'all, it's Carmen with Real Life Real Wife, and I am here to finally draw the winners. I hope y'all are as excited as I am. I got my girls with me. I got Lily behind me and her best friend, my other daughter, Elizabeth, with us. Y'all put your hands in, wave, say hi.
Hi.
They're going to do the drawing tonight, and they're going to help me out. Y'all remember, we're going to slide this over. I'm not going to go through everything. If you saw the original post and the update post, this is the first prize. You will get all these, including the Maggie Holmes. This was the Maggie Holmes, and this is the second place along, this was the DCWV Girls Rule. So, with that being said, I have also decided, I told y'all I'd have some handmade goodies, and because I've enjoyed making these so much, each one will have these. I will open these and flip through real quick, just so you can see them decorated. You will not know what's in them. And there's the back. So we went that way. Everybody seemed to love the snowmen, so I went that route. And that will, I don't know which one's going to go with which, but we'll just see. And they're both a little bit different. So, I hope y'all like them. And, of course, there will be goodies included in with that. Now, I'm going to hand these off real quick, so y'all excuse me. That's second place. And then these tend to want to fall. And this is the first place. And then, of course, the handmade goodies. Let's bring in the box, please. We have got my hubby's cigar box. And all the numbers have been cut up. Remember, everybody has got either 2, 3, or 5 points. The least your name is in here, or your number's in here. I need somebody to run and find my notebook real quick, because that has everybody's name in it. The least that... least chances are 2. So y'all's chances are great. We had 53 entries. Did y'all total up how many total pieces of paper? How much? 113 names. So I'm going to shake this up. And Lily is going first. She's going to draw for the second place winner. This is the second place, the smaller package. And y'all have your names right here. And we'll look up the number. Lily's going to go first. Elizabeth, please cover Lily's eyes so she cannot peek. And hold on. Okay, I'm going to shake it one more time. Okay. She's not peeking. Making sure.
I can't breathe.
Don't cover her nose. Okay, you got your number. Give it to me.
No, I want
put
to
it.
read it.
Well, you can look at it, but you got to put it in the palm of my hand so everybody can see what you got. Okay. All right, and the number is 34. Who is 34? Mara Concepcion! Yay! That is, Mara is a sweet lady that we got swapped partners with. So congratulations, Mara. Do me a favor and leave me a comment below and send me an email. Let me know that you have, that you acknowledge that you are one of the second place winner. So let me put, 34. So I do not... She is second place by her name. And then we are going to draw for the big prize. This is entry number 1. Yay. Ready? Lily, color up Elizabeth's eyes.
Oh, yeah, freaking hard.
Yeah, I got to take her glasses off. Okay. Don't see. All right, you ready? I'm going to shake one more time. All right. No peeking. You gotta get it in there. Make sure you're on film. Okay. And we are, this is the first place winner. Drum roll. And the winner is 26. It's a deal! Yay, Liana has got it! So, yay! Congratulations to both ladies. Where did my pen go? I appreciate it so much. And I've lost my pen somehow. Oh, it's over here. So, let's see. Leanna, I keep wanting to say Leanna. It's Leanna, isn't it? Is first place. And just for fun, I am going to draw one because I'm going to include another envelope. Except for the next envelope is going to be in pastels with my Martha Stewart paper pad that I have not yet opened. So I'm going to crack that open and I'm going to make a pastel. Y'all know I'm more traditional, so I'm not even, you won't even know what it looks like. But this would be just an extra, just because I'm so grateful and so thankful that I've had so many entries and was so blessed by so many. Y'all just floored me. So, to keep this video short, because y'all know me, I can run my mouth. I'm going to, y'all cover my eyes. Okay, am I in film? Mm-hmm. Okay. And I'm going to reach in, and I'm going to shuffle, and I'm going to dig right. Have I got just one? Mm-hmm. Okay. I'm going to shut it and let go. I got to see now. The winner is 42. Who is 42? Who's going to get a pastel folded envelope book? 42. Scrappin' Pink Lady. Yay. This is our bonus winner. Bonus. And just because I want to do it one more time and because y'all are so sweet, I'm going to go for it one more time. They ran out of the room, so I have to close my eyes and turn my head. And this will be the second bonus winner and the last one. And it is number 44, Karen Herrera. Bonus number 2. That's 1. And bonus number 2. Oh, so I surprised you there a little bit, didn't I? I'm sure y'all did not realize that I was going to draw it, and I didn't even know until today. After doing all this and looking over everything, I have been so completely blessed. And as y'all can see, there is several different numbers in there. Let's see if we can find some smaller numbers. No. But anyway, y'all just have blessed me so much. And I just, let's see, there's a 5. Oh, no, that was a 15. But anyway, I just wanted y'all to know that, there are just multiple numbers in there. And so, that I'm legit. But y'all have blessed me, and no, I can't provide something for everybody. I will send out thank you cards, and I hope everybody appreciates them and is patient with me, just simply because I still have so much going on. I am feeling much better. I wish I could, not have these cough attacks and be able to breathe a little bit better. But hey, I'm on the mend. I've got a lot going on in my life, but as soon as I can get the thank you cards out, I will, because I appreciate each and every one of y'all, and I can never show you my gratitude enough. So that's why I decided to do 2 bonus drawings. And yes, they will be handmade items, and who knows what I will put in there. It may be big, it may be small, probably small, but I got to be careful with, the holiday season and shipping. But thank y'all so much. I appreciate it. Y'all do me a favor. Leave me a comment in the comment box below. Let me know that you acknowledge that you have won. Please send me an email as well. My email will be in the description box below. And then I will give everybody 1 week from today. If I do not hear from any of these people, the numbers will stay in that box. And I will redraw again next Wednesday for anybody who has not contacted me. So, with that being said, thank y'all again from the bottom of my heart. And I hope y'all all had a great holiday. I hope y'all all have had a great week. And I hope y'all all will continue to have a good week in this coming up weekend. And thank you again, and best wishes always.